Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Training Series. This video is designed to teach the end user how to use the multi-timer shelf timing mode. The multi-timer shelf timing mode is often used for cooking different dishes simultaneously that require the same cooking conditions, temperature, fan, humidity, but different cooking times. If the unit is not already on, press the switch to the on position. The screen will display the operations mode. From the operations mode, select the shelf timing icon. Here, you will select multi-timer mode. This mode is for multiple dishes put in the oven simultaneously, but will not be taken out at the same time. When the multi-timer icon is selected, you will enter the cooking parameter page. To set the cooking temperature, press on the temperature and enter the temperature by dragging along the bar, pressing plus or press the temperature display and then input temperature desired. Once selected, press the OK and then select the check mark to return to the cooking parameters page. To set the cooking humidity, press the humidity icon and enter the percentage by dragging along the bar, pressing plus or minus to input the humidity desired. Once complete, select the check mark and return to the cooking parameters page. To set the fan setting, press on the fan icon and enter the percentage by dragging along the bar, pressing the plus or minus to input the fan speed desired. You can choose your fan rotation options here as well. Once complete, select the check mark and return to the cooking parameters page. After setting the parameters, you will then select the Start button on the bottom right corner of the display. The unit will begin to preheat. After preheating, the unit will continuously run within these parameters all day until it's turned off by pressing the off key on the display. Now, choose the desired shelf you want to cook on. Place the food on that shelf, close the door, and select the timer. Once a timer is selected, you'll need to input the desired cook time by dragging along the bar, press the plus or minus, or press the time display and then input the time desired. Once the time is selected, press OK and then select the check mark and return to the previous display. When the timer is complete, the message completed will show up on the timer and the unit will beep indicating that the food product for that timer needs to be removed from the oven.